Hi, my name is Alice Maddock, this is Katie Shaw and this is Ciara McCormick, and we're in TY in Mount Anville Secondary School in Goatstown in Dublin, and we did our project on investigating what would happen if two supermassive black holes collided in interacting galaxies.
So there's a supermassive black hole at the center of every galaxy, and sometimes galaxies merge. And when these galaxies merge, the supermassive black holes at the center of these galaxies, they will eventually collide due to them being in the center. And these collisions can lead to a merger of black holes. We wanted to find out what would happen after the merger, so whether it would stay in the center and whether it would go somewhere else or something happened due to the collision. We came to our conclusion by looking at research papers and deciding that this was the consensus of the scientific community. So we decided that black holes do, when they collide, they merge and they stay generally in the center of each galaxy, but in rare cases they can recoil and be displaced from the center. Well, we would love to find out more about the data that goes into finding these, and we could look at more LIGO data to research what happens after the collision and the merger, to see what the effects are generally on the rest of space-time.